Hello everyone, welcome to another coding exercise session. We would like to write a program that modifies an array of a string. So we have our string here and we are directly mentioning that there are three elements here with index 0, 1, and 2. So element with index 0 is the first element New York, the second element with index 1 is Paris, and the third element with index 2 is Tokyo. So we would like to modify the second element. To modify the second element, we are going to use the index 1. So cities is the name of the array of the string, and we are putting the number 1 here, meaning that we would like to discuss the first and modify the second element of this array of a string or with the index 1, and we are willing to replace Paris with London. So after that, we would like to print the array. In order to print the array, we see out the updated list of cities, and we have a for loop starting from 0 until I is lower than 3. So it is going to take I equals 0, 1, and 2, and it is going to print the ith element of the array cities, which means that in the first iteration, New York, then updated element, which is London, and then Tokyo. Let me run. Okay, great. So we learned how to modify directly one element. In order to modify that, we type the name of the array of our string. Within the braces, we type the index that we would like to change. In this case, we wanted to change the second element with the index 1, and we replace it with London, and then we simply print out all the elements, so we see the updated array of a string here. So the first one is New York, the second one is London, not Paris anymore, and the third one is Tokyo. Thank you for watching.